How to log out your account on UnoCoin. Are you guys facing issues to log out your account on UnoCoin application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To log out your account, first open the app and make sure you are on the home screen. Tap on More at the bottom right, then select Settings or Profile. Scroll down until you see the Logout button. Tap on it. A confirmation message will appear. Just tap Confirm to complete the logout. You'll be taken back to login screen. That's all. It's a quick way to secure your account when you are done using the app. And that's it, guys. That's how you're gonna log out your account on UnoCoin. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.